Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to completely uninstall the Riot Games Client from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Let's get right into it. First, make sure the Riot Client is closed. Go to the System tray. Here you can see the Riot Client and it's still running. Right-click on it and click Exit. Now that you're done, go to the icon here on Desktop and right-click it. Click Open File Location and step back here, more. Once you're in this folder, right click to it and then press delete. After you've done that, exit this folder. Now go to the search bar and type run. Open it and type app data. Now it will redirect you to this folder. Click local, the first one, and browse it until you find the Riot Games. Here it is. Right click and delete again. Now the last step we will do is to go on the search bar again and type in Riot Client. Now you can see the Riot Client is still here. Just click Open File Location and step back to Programs. Then right click it and press on Delete. Once we do the 3 steps of deleting it, search it again to make sure that client is not installed anymore. Search Riot. And once you open it, it won't redirect you to the app because it is fully uninstalled. So to check it, just click this. I will check this. And here's what it says. Windows searching for Riot Client Services.exe. So that means that we fully uninstalled the app. And that's it. You've now fully uninstalled the Riot Games Client from your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.